Well, right now we are bracing for another winter storm. Let's take a live look here at Center City, Philadelphia. Depending on where you live, you could see snow, sleet, or freezing rain later tonight. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is here with the forecast for your neighborhood. So pretty much a mixed bag here, Kate.
A mixed bag indeed, Natasha, but the takeaway is the farther north and west of the city you go, the worse it's going to be overnight into tomorrow morning. If you're south and east of Philadelphia, there are not any advisories except for Newcastle County, Delaware, right along I-95. But the farther south and east you go, mostly this is just plain rain, and we will see that changeover from freezing rain to rain from south to north through the overnight hours. But you can see the problem here as we look north of the city. Temperatures in spots like Lansdale and Westchester, Allentown, Jim Thorpe are right at the freezing mark, and temps are continuing to drop now that the sun is down. It's in the 20s in Mount Pocono. You head a little further south and temps are more marginal, more in the mid-30s, so above freezing. And with the ground as warm as it was from yesterday's warmth, it does look like most of these areas will just see plain rain. And certainly as you head down the shore with temperatures in the mid-30s, this should mainly be just rain. But it could start as a brief mix. You can see the little light purple shading there as some light precipitation moves over Cumberland County in the form of some sleet. So Storm Scan 3 showing this system moving in. You can see how it's lifting to the north. So what you see here, this rain, that's mostly what we will see. And I mentioned at the beginning of the broadcast that each of those winter weather advisories starts and ends at a different time. So the I-95 corridor, 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. This could be some sleet changing over to rain and freezing rain. Likely some ice accumulation, or what we call ice accretion, a light glaze at least, at the onset around midnight. Slippery, but little or no accumulation, and overnight we'll see that change over to plain rain. Montgomery, Bucks County, Chester County, 7 p.m. until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, that winter weather advisory in effect. We could still see some slippery spots right through the morning commute with as much as 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice. The worst of the conditions, though, will be the Lehigh Valley, Berks County, and the Poconos. 7 p.m. to 1 p.m. is the advisory time. That means we could see slick roads and icy conditions right through midday tomorrow, and as much as 1 inch to 2 or 3 inches in the mountains of snow, mixing with some sleet at the onset before 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of ice falls on top of that. So that's a lot of information. Suffice it to say, we're looking at mainly a freezing rain event. There will be some sleet as well and some snow in the Poconos, but mainly the threat is for icy roads through the overnight hours, and then as we head into the morning, that threat moves further north and the threat diminishes further south. By 5:30 a.m. we're in the mid-30s along I-95, so the threat for icing does start to diminish, but still hanging around freezing in Allentown. Finally, by 7 or 8, we start to see those warmer temperatures lift north, but by then the damage will have been done. Expect slow conditions on the roads, and in these spots like Allentown, Mount Pocono, where over 1/4 of an inch of ice is possible, that could lead to downed tree branches, minor tree damage, and also scattered power outages through tomorrow. So this is messy, especially, again, our far north and west suburbs. Please be safe if you can stay off the roads overnight into tomorrow morning. Highly, highly recommended. Saturday, partly sunny, cold but bright, and it's a little better Sunday before we tumble again back to near freezing for highs to start next week. Natasha, back to you.
Oh boy, little roller coaster there. Thank you so much, Kate. Before the worst of the weather does arrive, make sure that you have the CBS Philly app to track this latest winter storm. Download the app for free on Apple and Android devices.